great day to you, grade 7 learners. Together, we will explore, discover, and find answer to the mysteries in the world of science. I am your grade 7 super science teacher, Joanna. Are you ready, grade 7? Make sure you prepare your pen, paper, and self-learning module. In our last meeting, we were identified the source of wave, the medium of the wave, and we also classified waves according to the direction of motion of the vibrating particles with respect to the direction in which the waves travel. Those are transverse wave, longitudinal wave, and surface wave. Take a look at the illustration. What type of wave did she created? Very good. It is surface wave because the wave that she created is in circular motion. And what is the source of wave? Correct. The finger is the source of wave. And what is the medium? That's right. The medium here is the water. As we go through to our topic, you will notice these unfamiliar words.
Disturbance is the interruption of a settled and peaceful condition. Oscillation is defined as the process of repeating variations of any quantity. Equilibrium, the state of the body at rest position. Vacuum, an empty space. Propagate, to move in some direction or through a medium.
Class, are you familiar with 4 picks 1 word? Great! You have to guess a word based on the given pictures. Are you ready? Let's get started. Picture number 1. What do you think is the answer? That's right. The answer is part. Guess picture number 2. What do you think is the answer? Correct. The answer is wave. Now, based on the word that you have created, what do you think is our topic? That's right. Our topic is all about the parts of wave. At the end of this lesson, learners should be able to identify the difference between mechanical wave and electromagnetic wave. Value the importance of wave in our daily lives. And create and label the basic parts of wave. Effects of waves can be experienced in our daily lives. You can hear, see, travel because of sound, light, and ocean waves. They are all different, but they are all waves. So what exactly is wave? Wave is a traveling disturbance that carries energy from one place to another with or without a medium. If there is no disturbance, all the matters on Earth will remain at rest or in its equilibrium position. If there is a disturbance, a wave forms. One good example of wave is the ocean wave. As you notice, the wave in the ocean is created by the wind. And the wind is the source of wave. If I am the wind and the water is the medium, the wave moves away from me. For better understanding of waves, let us know its basic parts. As you can see in our illustration, the color pink line in the middle is what we call the equilibrium. Equilibrium is the rest position. Did you guess what type of wave is this? Correct! This is transverse wave. The highest part of transverse wave is what we call the wave crest. And the lowest part of transverse wave is what we call the wave trough. And the amplitude is the vertical distance between wave crest and equilibrium, and wave trough to equilibrium. If there is a vertical distance, there is also a horizontal distance. And the horizontal distance between the two consecutive wave crests and two consecutive wave trough is what we call the wavelength. Longitudinal wave has also a parts. There are three basic parts of longitudinal wave. As you can see on the illustration, there is a compressed region, and that region is what we call compression. And the region that is spread apart is what we call the rarefaction. Did you know where is the wavelength in this longitudinal? Correct! The wavelength is between two consecutive compression. We are now done in the parts of wave. So now, let us proceed to the two types of waves. Those are mechanical waves and electromagnetic wave. Let us go to mechanical wave. When we say mechanical wave, it is a wave that is a vibration in matter, transferring energy through a material. A material is a medium. Therefore, mechanical wave requires medium to travel or propagate. Again, a medium is where the waves travel. It can be solid, liquid, or gas. Example of mechanical waves are ocean wave, earthquake, and sound wave. Because it requires medium to propagate. Did you understand? Good job! The second type of wave is the electromagnetic wave. In electromagnetic wave, it does not require medium to propagate. Did you know how electromagnetic wave created? Electromagnetic waves are created between the oscillation of electric field and magnetic field. Example of electromagnetic waves are X-rays, light waves, and radio waves. Both of them can travel on the vacuum or the empty space. Now, what is the difference between mechanical wave and electromagnetic wave? Very good! Mechanical wave requires medium to propagate, while the electromagnetic wave does not require medium to propagate. We are almost done on our module. Have you imagined a world without sound, without light, without movement of an object? Sounds scary, right? That's why waves are important in our daily lives.
It's quiz time!
So to test your ability on what you have learned in our topic, let us have a short quiz. Our quiz has two parts. The part 1 is multiple choice. I will give you 5 minutes to answer the part 1. And our part 2 is to differentiate the electromagnetic wave to mechanical wave. I will also give you 5 minutes to do the part 2. So, what are you waiting for? Let's go!
Part 1. Direction. Choose the letter of the correct answer. 1 point each. Number 1. It is required a medium to travel. The answer is B. Mechanical wave. Number 2. Blank, a traveling disturbance that carries energy from one place to another with or without a medium. The answer is A. Wave. Number 3. It is where the waves travel. The answer is C. Medium. Number 4. It does not require medium to travel. The answer is C. Electromagnetic wave. Blank, a state where a medium is at rest. The answer is A. Equilibrium. Number 6. It is defined as an empty space. The answer is A. Vacuum. Quiz Part 2. Direction. Differentiate mechanical wave to electromagnetic wave. 1 point each. In mechanical wave, number 1, it required medium in order to propagate and travel. Number 2, example of mechanical waves are sound wave, earthquake, and ocean. In electromagnetic wave, number 1, does not require medium in order to propagate. Example of electromagnetic waves, number 2, light wave, X-rays, microwave, and radio waves.
Did you get a perfect score? Wow! Let's all clap our hands for ourselves. You did a great job. That's the end of our lesson. I hope you learned something new today. Again, I am your grade 7 super science teacher, Joanna. Till next time, bye!